friends, welcome to Catalyst Chemistry YouTube channel. Okay, as we discussed last video, the title is what write the hybridization of what organic compounds. Okay, I solved one example. After that, I gave you what some more example of what hybridization. Just see here, the next example is CS3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Next one is what OH is there. They are going to ask you what is the name of this compound. We will study later. Okay, IUPAC nomenclature is there, that is most important part in this topic. We will study later. Don't worry about that naming. Okay, I think it will take more than 3 to 4 video. After that, I am going to start the IUPAC nomenclature. Connect with us. Okay. Just here CS3, CH2, CH2, next one is what CH2OH. Actually the name of this one is what, here 1 is the 2, next one is what 3, this is what 4. 4 means what, that is indicate what butanol, 1 butanol, otherwise you have to write butanol, both are correct. This is the IUPAC name of what, butanol. Leave it to IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, our aim is what, we are going to study only what hybridization. Just here. This carbon containing how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens. 3 hydrogens means what? 3 sigma bonds already present. After that, here one sigma is there. Totally how many sigma? 4 sigma. As we discussed last class, no, means last video. The trick is what? 4 sigma sp3, 3 sigma sp2, 2 sigma, that is called what? sp. One is what? Tetrahedral structure. Next one is what? Trigonal planar. Otherwise planar. After that, next one is what? Linear. What is the bond angle for linear? 180 degree. Just here, in this case CH3, CH2, CH2 is there. In this case, this is the hybridization is what? sp3. What about this carbon hybridization? Hybridization I am going to write here sp3. Don't do this one, just you have to write sp3 hybridization of this carbon. Next, in this case you have to count this carbon. How many hydrogen atoms are there? 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 sigma bond already present. Next, here 1 sigma, 3 sigma, here 1 sigma, 4 sigma. What is the hybridization of this carbon? This carbon hybridization is what? sp3. Next, in this case also same, CH2, CH2, CH2 is there, no, 100% is what? Hybridization is what? Same, sp3, sp3. Don't worry about this OH. Okay, clear? Next, here CS3 is there. Okay, this is what? 3. Okay, how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens. 3 sigma bonds. Next, in this case what, this is the carbon single bond. Single indicate what? Sigma bond. If double is there, 1 is pi, 1 is sigma. Triple is there, 1 is sigma, 2 pi possible. What is hybridization of this one? Hybridization of this one is what? sp3 hybridization. Next, after that, in this case you have to count here. Okay, and the C double bond O is there, no? This is O is indicate what? Oxygen. Okay, here is what? 1 sigma, 2 sigma. Next one is what? In this case what? 1 is pi possible, another one is what? Sigma possible. 3 sigma, 1 pi is there. What is hybridization of this one? Hybridization is what? sp2 hybridization. Hybridization is sp2. Here is CS3 is there, no? Here is also CS3. What is hybridization of this one? Hybridization is what? sp3 hybridization. Okay, clear? Next example, this is the last example, homework. Okay, next is C. Don't write the hybridization of oxygen. They are not going to ask you what is the hybridization of what? Oxygen. They ask you what? Hybridization of what? Carbon atom. Just here, in this case, this carbon containing how many sigma and how many pi you have to calculate. In this case, 2 bonds are there, no, carbon oxygen. One is what? Sigma, another one is what? Pi. Next, another one is what? Sigma, another one is what? Pi. Don't worry about, okay, I am going to write here below is a pi, above is a sigma, not like that. Any one of the bond is sigma, any one of the bond is pi. Okay, that is why in this case how are we going to find out which is sigma and which is pi? It is difficult. With the help of the spectroscopy they are going to determine. Next, 2 sigma are there. Is there any lone pair? No lone pair. 2 sigma, 0 lone pair equal to 2. The hybridization is what? sp. Hybridization is what? sp. Okay. Next, another example, just see here another example. Example is CH3 is there. Next one is what? CH2. Next one is what? NH2. Okay, next one is what? This is a NH2. Okay, this nitrogen containing what? Lone pair. In this case, write the hybridization of carbon means you have to write 2 only, but they are going to ask you write the hybridization of given compound. If they are going to ask you given compound means this is a given compound, you have to write hybridization of all the atoms compulsory. Okay, that is what mandatory. Just here, you know very well about that CS3. What is hybridization of CS3? CS3 is hybridization is what? sp3. CS2 hybridization is what? sp2. Next, this is the what? Lone pair of electron. Lone pair of electron. Just here, lone pair of electron indicate. I am going to write the structure of this NH2. Listen here. Structure of NH2. Here bond is there, this is a what? Nitrogen, next this is a what? Hydrogen, next this is a what? Hydrogen, one is what? Lone pair. Okay, this connect with what? CH2, next one is what? CS3 is there. Now you have to count how many sigma are there? 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma. Okay, our rule is what? 3 sigma is there, plus you have to count one lone pair. One lone pair equal to 3 plus 1 is what? 4. 4 means what? sp3. 4 means what? sp3. How to count? 3 plus 1 is what? 4. This is the most important example. Okay. This is up to this one is indicate what? Hybridization of what? Carbon atoms. Okay. Next we are going to study percentage, the percentage of what? Hybridization. Percentage of hybridization. Percentage of hybridization of what? sp3. Next one is what? sp2, like this. Okay. Percentage of S character. Next heading is what? Percentage. Percentage of S character. Percentage of what? S character in sp3, sp2 and what? sp. Okay, this is the heading. You have to take what? This one is heading, no problem. Percentage of S character in sp3, sp2 and next one is what? sp. Otherwise, percentage of S character in what? Some of the hydrocarbon, that is also no problem. First one, the percentage of S character in sp3. This is what? First, percentage of S character in sp3 hybridization. In sp3 hybridization, you have to write hybridization. Okay. In hybridization, you have to write S, Z, both are correct. Okay. You have to write S, otherwise you have to write Z, no problem. Percentage of S character in hybridization. Okay. Next, percentage of S character in a hybridization. Okay. Next one is what? In this case, how many S orbitals are there? 1 orbital. How many p orbitals are there? That is also you have to write. In sp3, one is the S hybrid orbital. What is the meaning of this hybrid orbital? This point also we will study in what? Chemical bonding and molecular structure. But I will give clue. Hybrid orbital means what? That is also having a what? That is what? New orbital. There is a formation of what? New orbital having a what? Equal energy. Equal energy. Next one is what? Important point is what? Say. Okay. In sp3, one is the what? S hybrid orbital. Next one is same in sp3. 2, sorry, not 2. How many p orbitals are there? 3. 3 is the p hybrid orbital. 3 is the hybrid orbital. Next, you have to count percentage. The percentage important. Okay. I am going to percentage of S character. Okay, just here in this case 1 by 4. Why are going to write 1 by 4 into what? Multiply what? 100. This is indicate what? A percentage. Why are going to write 1 by 4? Because of in this case what? 3 plus 1 is indicate what? 4. That is why in this case 1 by 4. In this case we are going to get a 25 percentage of S character. 100 divided by 4. Okay, that is indicate what? 25 percentage of S character. Now tell me, what about a P character? Very simple, 100 minus 25, we are going to get a what? 75. That is the what? Percentage of P character. At that point also you have to write percentage of P character. Percentage of P character equal to 75%. Very simple. Okay, this is indicate what? Percentage of P character. Okay. Next, this is what? sp3. Next two things are there. Next thing is what? sp2. Next one is what? sp. Okay. With the help of this one, you have to apply same. Just I am going to remove percentage of s character. sp2 I am going to consider here. In this case also same sp2. Okay. This is I am going to remove everything. Okay. Just here. Make it 2. Make it 2. Percentage of s character in sp2 hybridization. Very simple. Second point, this one. Okay. In sp2, how many s orbital are there? 1. 1 is the right now in sp2 1 in sp2 1 is the s hybrid orbital. Okay. Next in sp2 how many p orbitals are there? In this case what? 2. In sp2 2 is the p hybrid orbitals. Okay. Next you have to calculate the percentage of s character. Our aim is what? Calculate the percentage of s character. Obviously we will get a p character. Okay. Just here percentage of s character for what? sp2 hybridization. Percentage of what? s character. Just here in this case totally how to count number of hybrid orbitals. How many number of hybrid orbitals are there? Here 2. 1, 2 plus 1 is what? 3. That is why in this case 1 divided by 3 into what? 100 percentage, you are going to get a 33.33%. This is for what? Yes. 100 minus 33.33, you are going to get a what? 66.67 something. Okay. You have to check one more time, that is called P, percentage of P character, percentage of what? P character, that is what? 66 point, otherwise I think 67.66 something will come, no? Make it minus 33, 100 minus 33.33 we are going to get this one. This is what? sp2. Next after that what? The last one is what? That is sp. Same thing. Okay. Just here, just I am going to remove this one. This is called what? sp, percentage of s character in sp hybridization. This is what? sp. How many s? 1 is what? 1 is the s hybrid orbital. In this case what? Just I am going to remove this one. 1. In this case also what? 1 is the p hybrid orbital. Next we have to calculate percentage. Percentage of s character for what? sp. Percentage of s character. You have to count how many hybrid orbitals are there? 2. Okay. That is why in this case 1 divided by 2 into what? 100 percentage, we are going to get a what? 50. This is what? 50 percentage of s character. Next one is what? Very simple. What about a p? Percentage of p character. Percentage of what? P character. 100 minus 50, we are going to get a 50. Both are same, no, in this case. Okay, this is the what? Percentage of s character in sp3, sp2, next one is what? sp hybrid orbital. Now tell me what is the serial order percentage of s character? sp3 25%, next one is what? sp2 33.3%, next one is what? sp 50%. This is the what? S character of sp3, sp2, next one is what? sp. Better you have to make a tabular column. Okay, that is also very simple. While you are studying, make it very simple. I am going to write here hybridization, I am going to write column. This is better understanding. Hybridization column is there. After that what? Percentage of s character. Okay. Better I am going to write here. Just I am going to remove everything. Okay. Okay, right. You have to take tabular column. Hybridization, first point. Hybridization. Okay. Next one is what? Next one is what? Percentage of s character. Next one is what? Percentage of p character. Hybridization. Hybridization is what? First hybridization is what? sp3. Next one is percentage of s character is what? 25%. In this case, we are going to get a 75%. Next one is what? sp2. Next one is what? Important point in this case what? 33.3%. 3%, you have to check it out, 66 point I think. Next one is what? SP. This is what? SP. In this case what? S character is what? 50%. Next one is what? 50% is what? P character. Okay. Next after that in this case, with the help of this tabular column, we are going to final note, okay, that is indicate what? Final note, important. Out of these three, which is having a highest S character? Obviously the answer is what? SP, hybrid orbital is having a what? Highest S character. The most important note, just here, most important note, highest S character, having more electronegativity, most important, more electronegativity. This is most important point, bear in mind. Okay, highest S character having a more electronegativity. Now tell me, in this case sp3, sp2, sp are there. Out of these three, which is having the highest electronegativity? Obviously the answer is what? sp. Write the serial order, okay, serial order of electronegativity of the hybridization of these three. The first one is what? sp is having a what? Highest. Next after that what? sp2. Next after that what? sp3, because in this case 50% is there. After that 33.3%, after that what? After that what? This is 25%. Okay, this is the what? S character. Electronegativity depends on what? S character. Okay. Next. Okay. Next, one more important point is there. That point it will take time. Okay friends, okay, that will take time. That point we will discuss next video. Thank you very much.